Benefits of onion for men's health and libido. Onions help stimulate testosterone production, enhancing love health. They support healthy blood flow, aiding stronger and longer-lasting erections. Antioxidants in onions protect sperm from damage and boost fertility. Onions are also natural aphrodisiacs that can heighten love desire. Additionally, they lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol, protecting the heart. Onions contain compounds that fight inflammation, supporting overall health, and are packed with vitamins that strengthen the immune system. Take 5 cloves of garlic and peel them. Benefits of garlic for men's health and libido. Garlic contains allicin, which helps stimulate testosterone production. It relaxes blood vessels, promoting stronger and longer-lasting erections. Garlic is a natural aphrodisiac that increases love desire. Its antioxidants fight inflammation and protect overall health. Garlic lowers blood pressure and cholesterol, boosting cardiovascular function. It helps reduce fatigue and enhances physical endurance. Garlic also protects sperm cells and supports healthy sperm production. It boosts the immune system, keeping you healthier and more active. Garlic helps regulate hormone levels, promoting love wellness, and lowers cortisol, reducing stress and boosting confidence. Garlic is a powerful superfood that enhances men's health, boosts libido, and fuels vitality. You need a piece of ginger root. Benefits of ginger for men's health and libido. Ginger helps stimulate testosterone production, enhancing male vitality. It relaxes blood vessels, promoting stronger and longer-lasting erections. Ginger is a natural aphrodisiac that heightens love desire and performance. Its antioxidants fight inflammation, protecting overall health and energy levels. Ginger improves blood flow and reduces blood pressure, supporting cardiovascular wellness. It boosts sperm count, motility, and overall fertility. Ginger fights fatigue and boosts physical endurance. It improves nutrient absorption, fueling the body with essential vitamins and minerals. Ginger helps lower cortisol levels, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. It also supports hormonal balance, essential for optimal love health. Ginger is a powerful root that enhances men's health, boosts libido, and fuels lasting energy. Add 2 cups of water and boil the mixture for 10 minutes after boiling. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Benefits of turmeric for men's health and libido. Curcumin in turmeric helps balance hormones and support testosterone production. Turmeric reduces inflammation and enhances circulation for stronger erections. It boosts energy and reduces fatigue, enhancing love desire and stamina. Turmeric fights chronic inflammation, promoting overall well-being. It lowers blood pressure and protects the heart, supporting endurance. Antioxidants in turmeric protect sperm from damage and improve fertility. Turmeric strengthens the immune system, keeping you active and healthy. It also lowers cortisol, promoting relaxation and emotional balance. Take a lemon and cut it into slices. Benefits of lemon for men's health and libido. Lemon helps lower cortisol, which supports healthy testosterone production. Vitamin C in lemon strengthens blood vessels, promoting stronger erections. It reduces blood pressure and cholesterol, protecting cardiovascular function. Lemon helps cleanse the liver, balancing hormones and boosting vitality. Antioxidants in lemon reduce inflammation, supporting overall wellness. High in vitamin C, lemon strengthens the immune system, keeping you active. Lemon refreshes and energizes the body, combating fatigue and stress. Its antioxidants protect sperm cells, promoting fertility and reproductive health. Lemon's scent and nutrients help calm the mind and elevate mood. Lemon is a powerful citrus that boosts men's health, enhances libido, and fuels lasting energy. Add a spoonful of honey to improve the flavor, and add many useful elements. Use only in diluted form, 2 spoons of concentrate per glass of water.